In this video, I'll show you how to convert HEIC image files to JPG on your phone or iPhone. The first method is to change settings to save future photos as JPG. Go to the Settings app on your iPhone and scroll down and tap on Camera. Tap on Formats at the top. Then select Most Compatible. This will ensure all new photos are saved as JPG and videos are saved in H.264 format. By selecting Most Compatible, your iPhone will save all the new photos as JPG instead of the default HEIC format. The second method is to convert existing HEIC images to JPG. Open the Photos app and select the images you want to convert. Tap the Share button in the lower left corner and choose Copy Photos from the Share menu. Open Files app on your iPhone and create a new folder by tapping the three dots in the upper right corner and select New Folder. Name it something like JPEGs. Tap into the new folder and tap and hold any image, then select Get Info to confirm it has been converted as a JPEG. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.